Hi, Attorney Scott Simmons here from the Rossen Law Firm, criminal defense and DUI attorney. I'm here to talk about an amazing win that our firm just got on a huge case. Our client was arrested for and ultimately not charged with DUI manslaughter, meaning unfortunately someone died as a result of a car accident and they believe that they were under the influence of alcohol, a chemical substance, or a controlled substance. This case came to us from a referral, meaning somebody who knew us, knew them, and said, hey, we think this would be a good fit. We represented him first at first appearance court, which is where you get a bond and you get your release conditions. We were able to pre-negotiate with the state attorney a reasonable bond, have all the paperwork done before court, so that way as soon as the bond got put in place, he was out within about 8 to 12 hours. Basically spent just 1 day in jail, which is a great way to start the case. He was able to get out of jail, be with his family, and more importantly, meet with us and talk about the facts of his case. As we were talking about the facts of his case, we saw a lot of big holes in the case. One, he was arrested at the scene, which is very rare for a DUI manslaughter. These are cases usually where the pre-file investigation is done for months before an arrest. The reason for it is once an arrest is triggered, speedy trial triggers. In this case, the officer made a mistake and arrested him. It was also one where field sobriety exercises were done. These exercises are typically done in a misdemeanor DUI, but for DUI manslaughter, it's not typically done. We hired our accident reconstructionist. We had our investigator look into the case. We were able to find a lot of favorable evidence for us that our client didn't cause or contribute to the car accident. As such, we were able to negotiate with the prosecutor. They were able to confirm that evidence as well, and ultimately, when the state attorney had to make a filing decision, they filed no charges in this case, not even a misdemeanor DUI. So he was able to get off a pretrial release, able to get back to living his normal life, and he's going to be able to expunge this case off of his record, so like it never existed on his criminal record. It's a fantastic win. We were so happy that his friends thought of us. He called us. He trusted us to handle the serious case, and we were able to get the best possible result on such a serious case, which is a straight no information or dismissal before charges were filed.